Hi there, I'm Ace Guzman. Welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is all about the back office of the Power Lead system. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of my back office since I'm one of the affiliates with the Power Lead system. So who better to show you than actual member of the program, right? So I'm going to give you a little overlook of what's back there, what's it look like, and get familiar with some of the tabs. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to share my screen. All right. So now that we're in the back office, and only the members of the Power Lead system can actually access this affiliate back office, you'll see the first tab right here. This is a word from CEO Neil Guest. He's the owner of the Power Lead system, and he has something special to share with you. Maybe it's just a quick welcome video, and just a quick word from him, just to get you acquainted with the system and the community. You have 3 steps here already laid out. Your step 1 is to join the Facebook group and get acquainted with the members in the community, your team members and such, and your sponsors. And then we have the step 2, which is you want to read and download this quick start guide that was provided by Neil Guest. And step 3 is about focusing on making sales your first week of getting started. There's a quick video back there with Neil. He's going to walk you through the steps of where to go, where to get your traffic, where to get things going as far as your capture page and such. You'll be able to access all of that. Any promotions will be over here on the bulletin. And then we have the PLS All In. Click here. This is to access the products. If you're all in, you're going to have access to all the tools, the training. And then the events tab is to let you know what any calls or Zoom trainings or webinars upcoming in the month is going to be scheduled. You can see with a bird's eye view what is going on with the events in the community. Then we have the actual product line. We have Free Ad Secrets, AI Automation Academy, Home Business Pro, and Master Traffic Institute. You would click to any one of these tabs if they're unlocked. Right now, mine are all unlocked because I'm an all-in member, so I'm able to access all the products. But if you're just getting started and you see like a little red padlock on some of these, that means that you do not have access to that system or product training or course because you haven't upgraded yet, okay? So that's why my back office will look a little different from yours if you're just getting started and you're watching this video. The other bonus that's here is a quick phone call with the founder, the CEO, Neil Guest, on the Power Lead system, which is great because all you do is click this button here and you'll be able to schedule a call to meet him, to connect with him, to ask him any questions. All right, let's go back to the screen here. I know that was really quick, wasn't it? But that's what we have back there, and we've got lots more to show you, but that's just it. This is just a quick video overview of the back office of the Power Lead system dashboard, and I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for more videos. My name is Ace Guzman, and I'll see you on the next one.